Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito guys, another reaction video naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa Beauty with a Purpose video entry ni Krishna Gravides para sa Miss World 2025. At sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Kaya i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Okay, bilang tayo ulit guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Wow, ang ganda.
This is Irisan,
Irisan, Baguio City.
a quiet, humble community nestled in the mountains. In here, dreams don't come easy. Many are buried beneath poverty and lost in crumbling homes.
Oh.
I am Ligaya Alviar de la Cruz. You can call me Joy for short. I have been a child development worker since 2014. So this is my 11 years. Hindi naman lahat ng pamilya ay biniyayaan ng magandang bahay.
Yes.
Hindi naman biniyayaan ng mga laruan. So may mga bata talagang pag nakita po nilang maganda yung kanilang school, parang gusto-gusto na nga nila dito tumira, gusto na nila dito mag-stay.
But hope isn't found in the absence of struggle. It's in the courage to rise from it. I know this pain. I have felt it. As a child, I too wished for a space where I could simply dream. A quiet corner to imagine a future where I could become more. That's why this project lives so close to my heart. Because Color the World with Kindness is the very thing I once needed. In the Philippines, over 5 million children live in extreme poverty.
Yes, totoo.
And in communities like Irisan, over 400 children are guided by only a handful of teachers. It's not the lack of education holding them back. It's the lack of a nurturing space where their dreams can take root.
Yes.
In 2022, we started Color the World with Kindness with one dream: to give every child not just a seat in school, but a place in this world. Early this year, we raised almost 200,000 pesos in one event. It wasn't just a fundraiser. It was a movement of people who chose to believe. We started by rebuilding early learning centers in Irisan, restoring spaces where children could feel safe, seen, and supported. And we didn't do it alone. Volunteers, local artists, and people came together. They gave their hearts in every brush stroke and effort. Proof that when kindness comes together, it creates something lasting.
Yes.
But we knew it wasn't enough. Because education doesn't begin in school. It begins at home.
Ako po si Ross Ganosario, 22 years old po. Isa po yung kasama bahay. Nakaraang taon na po, kasi talaga po kasama kami dito. Kasi ito po tayo yung ako, trapal lang po yun. Tapos, palagi meron lang po kayo. Yung ako lang po pagdaling po, masama po kami. Dahil sila po po kami sa baba.
Manang Rose, a mother, raising 3 children alone. Abandoned but never defeated. She worked as a housemaid, piecing together a life. We helped her rebuild her home.
Po, dati po, pag-uulan po, basa po kami. Sa ngayon po, hindi na po mababasa kasi okay nga po yung bahay ko. Yan po ang malaki yung pagbabago po. Hindi na kami nababasa, hindi na po kami tumatakbo sa kabilang bahay para makiligaw.
And now,
Wow.
she
Grabe, nakaka-touch yung kanya, no?
about education.
Beauty with a Purpose video.
It's about planting a seed of belief in each home that they matter, that they can become more. We should wish for a day when every household has a space to pursue, where families don't just survive, they thrive. It's not education alone that will save these children. It's the belief that they deserve to dream. And that belief begins with you. It begins with us.
Wow.
In Ilisan, a place once known as a dumping ground, a transformation begun. Because when we choose to believe, we turn broken into hope, darkness into color, survival into purpose. A world that believes that children's dreams is not just possible, it's already beginning. We can color the world with kindness, one home, one step,
Oh my
one
God, ang ganda
heart
nun.
at a time.
Wow naman. Wow. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-touch, nakaka-inspire yung kanyang Beauty with a Purpose project video. Sobrang na-inspired ako, guys. Grabe, nakaka-touch talaga siya, no? May kurot talaga sa heart, no? Ang galing, ang galing. Alright, supportahan po natin si Krishna Marie Gravides sa Miss World 2025. Siyempre, support natin yung sariling atin. Ang sobrang lakas ng laban talaga natin. Diba? Alright, yung nagustuhan nyo to guys, video nyo to malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po!